Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my recent purchase from Limese Connect. If you wonder what Limese Connect website is, it is all about Korean skincare products. They actually have pretty good products, and if you really want to try it out, I'll give you the link in the description box below. So I have ordered a couple of products that I have wanted to give it a try since very long. So they have given me a mask, which is a 5-layer mask that I didn't order. I think I got this free for the order that I made, and the actual order that I made is for the eye cream that I am showing you right now. This is a Dr. Plus Petit eye cream. I don't know, this has got an ingredient of vitamin K. I'm hearing it for the first time. I don't know what vitamin K actually is, but I really think that it would work. And one of the other purchases that I made is from One Thing that I wanted to give this. This is a One Thing Niacinamide 10% toner or essence. I wanted to give this a try since very long time because I have seen a lot of YouTube vloggers raving about this, and also some of the Instagram bloggers also talking about this a lot. So I wanted to give this a try for sure, and I think this is for 1115 if I'm not wrong. I think it's a good product for the price that you pay. The amount of product that you get is quite a lot. It's 100 ml toner bottle. I'm trying to unbox it for you. So niacinamide is a good it is good for pigmentation and redness, and it evens out skin and removes tan. I think I really like the packaging here, and it comes in a transparent plastic bottle. And the next thing that I'm opening is the samples that I received from the Limese, because Limese always sends you samples if you made purchase of a certain amount. They always send these kind of, and I'm trying one by one of these, and I really started to like them all. I already started to like the Claire's I think it's SPF 50, which looks amazing, which feels amazing actually. So I think it's a lot of samples, and you might like any one of your product, like moisturizer, like an eye cream and a toner. And the next thing that I'm gonna show you is the eye cream. I don't know, if I haven't actually found a good eye cream up until now, because I always think that eye cream should work, wonders on skin, but I don't know, I need to give this at least a try and wait for the result being consistent over the period. I don't want to judge it too soon, but I think vitamin K is a new ingredient. But let's give it a try. I'll update you shortly on this. The packaging is pretty nice. It has got the tube kind of thing. And that's all for the purchase. Thank you so much for watching.